Hi, my name is Ruud Chips and I'm a general dentist. And today we're going to unbox this new ELETRA SMART scanner, which I was privileged to use already. And I know that it's very good and it has very good properties. So let's start with the unboxing of this new scanner, which comes in this beautiful aluminum case. And let's have a look. Okay, so we're going to open it. Now look, there it is. Everything is inside. Of course, I'm going to start with the most beautiful piece. That's this scanner, which is very light in weight. It comes with this protective sleeve to make sure that that is protected when not used. Wow, it's very light. It's actually as light as a phone. I would say if I compare it to my phone, well, yeah, I think it's has the same weight. So it's very light, very neat in that case. And well, it's beautiful white. And it comes with a USB connection, just a regular connection. So quite easy to plug and play with it. Just put this on back. Okay, and so then there's this cradle to hold and to protect it in. So you can put it actually in like this to make sure that it's safe on your desk. But it's also a tool to calibrate this scanner. So what is very important, and everything is in the software to use you step by step through this calibration process, which is for coloring and for depth taking. So there's a calibration tool on it, and it's important to calibrate the white balance. So that's why this cradle is specially designed for it. But again, everything is in the software to help you guide it with this calibration process. Then there is this USB dongle, which is necessary to install the software on the laptop, which come with it, with the scanner, a good spec laptop to make sure that you can work very properly and neat and that everything is smooth. And then there are about 6 of these, which are the scan bodies. They actually have a protective sleeve. Please remember to get it off for the first use. These are autoclavable about 100 times, so you can use them very often. Just remove the protective cap and then put it on. And it just have a smooth snap on it so that you know it's secure. And then again, it's very light. You can use it in pen grip. So and also the size is very small. So you can do children. You can scan children. If you need to really go to the back, to the last molar, everything is doable with this scanner because it's light and very small at the tip. So very easy to use. Then very important to understand, there is this calibration tool, like this cylinder, and you can open it, and there you see the entrance of the calibration tool. There is a small notch in it, so you are sure that you place this correctly. There's also this notch on this side. Just put it in, and then use the software to calibrate this tool. And again, it's the color, the white balance is done with this cradle, but the rest is the 3D image is calibrated via this tool. Please be aware to do it regularly. Also, if you use this device between different treatment rooms, because the coloring and the light may be different. So if you want the perfect, good image, please make sure that you calibrate enough to make sure that it's that you are sure and convenient about the quality and the accuracy of the scan. So make sure you do that regularly. I'm gonna put on this protective sleeve again. So there it is. And also, when not in use, please make sure that it's safe again. For this calibration tool, you need this USB cable, which is you can also add to your computer. And then again, the software will help you guide it through the whole calibration process. So actually, I'm very excited about this new scanner. It's very easy, very light, has a very, very high performance on scanning. It's very fast, and the accuracy is really incredible. So yeah, I'm really enthusiastic about this. So please enjoy this new ELETRA scanner.